Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up the Allure beauty box for February. I feel like a lot of people have already gotten this box, and I realize that like people who subscribe to Allure through Amazon get it earlier. I subscribe like directly through Allure, so I want your opinion. Like, do you guys get Allure? And what one do you get? Do you get Amazon or do you get it through Allure? And is there one you think is better? Because I know Amazon, you get it earlier, but I've heard in the past there have been some differences, but I think in the videos I've seen it pretty much seems to be the same box. So yeah, I would love to hear your opinions with Allure and like how the shipping is and everything like that, because maybe I'll switch to getting it through Amazon. I know it's not a big deal getting it later in the month, but as someone who unboxes subscription boxes and beauty boxes on YouTube, there is an advantage to getting your boxes earlier, because I'm sure most of you, if you're into beauty box videos and stuff like that, you've probably already seen what is inside. I actually haven't watched anyone's videos yet. I just saw like their thumbnails before, so this will be a surprise to me. I love that when I don't know even one thing coming. So if you do not know what Allure beauty box is, it is obviously a beauty subscription. It is $10 for your first month and then $15 afterwards. I think it is a great box. It's kind of hit or miss sometimes, but you do get full-size items, and when they do collaborations, it's amazing. Like the last collaboration was with ABH, or Anastasia of Beverly Hills, and I thought that was a good one. They've collaborated with some YouTubers before, and those are always the best boxes in my opinion. But yeah, it's generally pretty good. I don't think I could ever give this one up, so yeah, let's get started. I'll link Allure down below if you want to sign up, and I'll link both Allure and the Amazon one if you want to get it sooner. I usually just link their direct website, but now that I'm saying that, I should link the Amazon one. And I'll also link down below my active giveaways. So yeah, I'll stop blabbering. Let's get this box open. There is a card on top. There always is, with a beautiful model. So this is what it looks like. And on the inside, it'll show you what's in there. And it gives like a description. Well, not a description. It gives like a quote by the Allure editors that picked the item. And it'll also give like some pricing and some promo codes. So leave that here. Everything else is under tissue paper here. Ooh, looking in the viewfinder, it looks like we've got a lot of stuff. We've got a brush. I think brushes count as full-size items. Let's start with that. Oh, and it's by NYX. I've never tried NYX brushes before. I've tried a lot of their makeup items. I wouldn't say a lot, but I've tried their makeup before, and I think they're a great affordable brand. So this is, what does it say? This says it's their number 2 brush. It feels really nice and soft. Like, there's no shedding or anything. Ooh, that would be great if we find out they have a, like, amazing brush line. Let's see how much their brushes are. Oh wow, so their brushes are kind of expensive for a drugstore. A lot of drugstores getting expensive. You guys notice that? But this is $14 to $17. I guess we could have gotten one of 3 brushes, maybe. Let's see what they say about it. So this editor says she loves the blending ability of NYX Pro Powder Brush, Pro Contour Brush, and the Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush. So I think we have the powder brush here. But you can honestly use brushes however you want. I think this is a good shape too if you wanted to use it for like your contour. So yeah, and then there is a promo code. If you guys want promo codes on any of these items, just ask down below. It looks like we have them for most of them, but yeah, you can get this at nyxcosmetics.com. I'm excited to try it out. Next, I see something that says Retinol 24 on it. Oh, this is by Olay. This is Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. This is fragrance free. I'm guessing this is just like a bonus sample that comes in here. Sometimes, yeah, it's on the back. Sometimes they throw in stuff like this. I'll put this in a future giveaway. I am no longer adding non-cruelty free items to my collection. I knew it. This big box, and look at the sample size. This is teeny, but it's a bonus. It's not like one of the items. And then there's a coupon in here for $3 off Olay products. So yeah, I'll be just throwing this as a little extra in one of my giveaways. I think I mentioned this. I do have some going on right now. I think like 3, maybe 2, but those will be down below. Next up, oh, I love this brand. This is by Wander Beauty. Let me get it out of the bubble wrap. I feel like I've tried so much of Wander Beauty stuff because they're in boxes, and I've really like fallen in love with the brand. So this is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Glow and after hours. So there's a piece of tape here. Let me try and get this off. Ooh, so this is a pretty highlight. I've never tried any of their highlights. Well, okay. Yeah, no, I don't think I have. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I haven't. It's like this pretty champagne color. I like that. I'll definitely use this. Let's learn more about it. I don't know if it's full size, but I like getting like minis of highlights or any like powder product because it takes so long to go through. I hit pan on a bronzer today and I was like super excited about it. I posted it on my Instagram stories, I think. So the full size is $30. Wow. I really like their products, like I said, so I am excited to try this out on my face. I already have some highlight on today, but I will put this on tomorrow. And next we have this little thing here by Belief. This is the Believe in Truth Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. This is 5 ml. It's supposed to improve skin elasticity. Well, it asks like a question, improve skin elasticity, and it says yes. I don't know if you guys can see that, maybe. But yeah, this isn't that much product. You could see that there's like that little dome in the middle. Is Belief cruelty free? Hey Siri, is Belief Cosmetics cruelty free?
Okay, I found this on the web first. Belief Cosmetics cruelty free. Check it out.
Belief is not cruelty free. At first it's like, oh, cosmetics is not the right word. So I'll be throwing this in the giveaway as well. Let's see what the full size is of them. The full size is $58. Wow, that's probably why they gave us such a little piece. But let's move on to the next item, which is a full-size lipstick by Appeal. I've tried some of their products before in boxes. We got like a liquid eyeshadow, which I think I might have given to like my little cousins. I just don't really use liquid eyeshadows. So I'm excited to try something else by them. This is their Ultra Cream Lipstick in Muse, and it has some wrapping around it, so let me get it out. But it has like unique packaging, I would say. And this is $21. Wow, they're expensive. It always takes me forever to get that off, but okay. So you just take it off like this, so that little piece is the bottom of it. This is a pretty shade. Let's do a swatch. So I love colors like this. Muse, it says it's more of a rose than a nude. But what the hell does nude mean anyways? That's true. It all depends on like your skin tone and what works for you, like what's a nude. Ooh. That's really pretty. I'm excited to try this. I'll try this tomorrow too. Whenever I open a box, I like leave the makeup out so I can try it the next day. Like today I'm trying out the Pure foundation that I just got in my Ipsy that I posted the other day. I haven't filmed in a few days because I've been sick. If my voice sounds weird, I seriously thought I had strep throat. It's a little better today, but yesterday I could like barely swallow. I could definitely not film, but I'm feeling better today. Anyways, let's move on to the next item. This is exciting. This is by Bare Minerals, the Sensorials. They're a Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. So what is this exactly? It comes like in this. It says after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So it's skincare. Vital Power Infusion, Empower, Replenish, Renew, Fortify, Skin Mimetic Technology. Powered by Long Life Herb, California Poppy, and Lem Puyang Ginger Extracts. So it's like a serum, I guess. I've never tried any skincare by Bare Minerals. I've tried some of their makeup in the past, but it's kind of been a while. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's see if it says more in here. Probably just says the full size pricing. The full size, wow, is $58. How much is in this? We got 7.5 milliliters in here. So the editor says, using this watery serum between the toning and moisturizing steps in my twice daily routine provided to be the extra kick of hydration and anti-inflammation I needed, but just wasn't getting from my creams, masks, and other serums. I reach for it every day now, not only for the summery glow it provides, but also for its citrusy floral scents. Let's see if I can smell it. It does smell good. Hopefully that means there's not like fragrance in it and it's just like naturally like that. Let's look. I'm trying to get better at like looking at ingredients and what I use in my face, and I know fragrance, like added fragrance that's unnecessary, isn't the best. There are some alcohols in here, but they're kind of far down. Citric acid. Yeah, there is some fragrance, but it's listed towards the bottom. I don't know, I'm still gonna try it, but trying to avoid it in general. And it looks like we have one more thing in here, and it's like a sheet mask. Let me get it out. This is by Super Beauty Mask, or is it by Honey Jarrett? It's by Honey Jarrett, the Super Beauty Mask in Rose, blended with Jarrett tea. This is supposed to be moisturizing and brightening. I think this is cute packaging. I like that little like kiss heart. It says selected premium teen rose extract contains antioxidant, brightening, and calming effects which allow the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. And you just use it like your other sheet mask for 10 to 20 minutes. I usually do 15 to 20. And it contains Eternal P, which is stem cell booster, and it has a patent number. So that's interesting and exciting. And this is $3. So awesome. So that is everything that came in the box. I think this was a good month. I don't know if it was like my all-time favorite, but like there's several items I'm really excited about, which is great. And only 2 that I can't use. So we have a full-size item, which is a sheet mask. Oh wait, I really like this box actually. I forgot about the brush. There's a lot in here. So we got sheet mask, which I definitely use. I use sheet masks a few times a week. We have this NYX brush, which seems really great. So I'm excited to try this out. And then the other full-size item is an Appeal lipstick, which again, I think is a really pretty color. I love colors like that. I have something kind of similar on my lips right now. It might be a little like deeper. I have Pasadena by Ofra. I've been wearing that a lot lately. Wander Beauty Highlight, which I think is pretty, again, that's on my hand. And yeah, I will definitely use this. And I am excited to try out the Bare Minerals as well. I didn't even really know they had skincare, but I guess it makes sense. And then 2 other items, which are like the smallest items in the bag, or the box, that will be going in future giveaways, is the Belief Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream and the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Cream. So the little samples, those will be bonuses and some giveaways of mine. So yeah, that is everything. So let me know your thoughts down below. I am definitely happy with it this month. I just wish it came earlier like the Amazon subscribers. So again, leave your thoughts down below about whether I should switch or not, or if you like seeing the video later in the month, because I know a lot of videos come out like all at once, or a lot, because everyone gets their like boxes at the same time. It seems like all different subscriptions, you get them like the same week. Sometimes I like getting some boxes later, so I have something to film and get excited about, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.